Hey guys, today we are going to see how to have matrix multiplication of two tensors. Let's define two tensors. Let's say A is equal to TF dot random dot normal, and let's have a tensor of 2 by 2. Again B then the syntax is that Z is equal to TF dot mat mul, that is for matrix multiplication, and then the two tensors. Let's print that, and we'll get an error model has not okay. And yes, we have a tensor of 2 by 2 and its multiplication. So when we are multiplying any matrices, we know that the columns of the first should be equal to the rows of the second, and if we say 2 by 1 matrix 1 by 2, we should get a 2 by 2 matrix, and 1 by 2 matrix to a 2 by 1 matrix, we should get a single value. So keep in mind that the columns of first are equal to the rows of second, and that is how you multiply two TensorFlow matrices with matmul. The another way is using the the rate sign. Z is equal to A at the rate B, and let's print Z again. And yes, we'll get the same value. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos. Do like, comment, share and subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. I'll make sure that I solve them. And keep coding, stay curious.